plane. Wherever the hell that is. So I decided to come out today. Well, I had to come out either way. But I decided to come to a park. The Koala Centre Park. Daisy Hill. Koala Park. Daisy Hill Koala Centre. Daisy Hill Koala Park. I decided to get out. Just feeling a bit cooped up lately and just need to get out in nature. Get some air. To see some wildlife. You know, nothing beats some of the local wildlife. You know, some of the wallabies and koalas and possums I like to roam around. It's just kind of nice to just go see them. Yeah, even if they may be sleeping and not really doing much because they're just, you know, doing what mammals love to do best, just napping away and just napping. Nothing beats a good nap. Can't say wrong with that. Right above me right there. If you can hear them. I wish we'd just see them. There's a whole bunch of bees. I'm doing my old microphone trick. Oh, that just rolled my ankle. Please take your litter with you. Please do not feed the animals. Just gonna go for a little wander around the park. Get some of that fresh air. We just walked past the bees. If that footage is fine, it'll make sense why the bees were, you know. But if it doesn't, well, I'll just talking about the bees. This tree kind of blocks it out. The frame shot is kind of in that side. So tree. I remember someone telling me something about trees once. Something to do with pencils and trees. I can't remember what he was talking about, but something about it. And Lipton tea, I guess. I don't know. I was actually thinking about doing a video like coming out here and filming a video to do with Hot Wheel cars. And be like, here, Hot Wheels, and talking about the history. And then I was like, went to buy Hot Wheels and there was just nothing. It was abysmal. And I was like, oh, maybe I should buy a Matchbox car. And then I was like, yeah, exactly that. No, I was like, no, I ain't buying a Matchbox. Matchbox is so bloody expensive now. It's ridiculous how expensive they are. But I'll show you the shot anyway of the field. Because we're going to do a long shot. Hi. Bit of hill here. Were we even in frame? Oh, what's the bird doing? Oh, it's a magpie. Hello. Hello, what you up to? He like swooped at me almost, basically. It's not even the right season for it. Hey, what's happening? He like flew right past my back as I was filming. My camera's about to die too. You can come over, you come and look. This bird is just like The rocket looks like a dragon head. Look at that. Mouth and the eyeshadow and right there looks like it's Gojira! Oh my god, it's Gojira!